Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Alphacool Apex Stealth Metal Fan. This 120mm fan is designed for PC enthusiasts who demand both performance and silence. Right out of the box, the build quality is impressive. The all-metal frame gives it a premium feel and ensures durability. One of the standout features is its focus on noise reduction. Alphacool has implemented a unique decoupling system, isolating the fan blades and motor from the metal frame with a special damping system. This effectively absorbs vibrations, leading to whisper-quiet operation, even at higher speeds. The closed frame impeller design also prevents fluttering, further minimizing noise. But it's not just about silence. The Apex Stealth is a performance beast. It's engineered to deliver exceptional airflow and static pressure, making it suitable for radiators and as a case fan. With a PWM-controlled speed range of 400 to 3,000 RPM, it can be fine-tuned to meet specific cooling needs. It also supports 0 RPM mode, allowing the fan to stop completely for silent operation at low temperatures. Aesthetically, the Apex Stealth is a looker. The curved metal frame adds a touch of elegance to any PC build. Alphacool's Apex line is known for its premium materials and innovative technologies, and this fan is no exception. Installation is straightforward, and the daisy chain capability simplifies cable management. The included 50cm PWM extension cable is a nice touch. The fan features a 6-pole motor and HDB bearing, ensuring smooth and quiet operation, as well as long-term reliability. In terms of specifications, it operates at 6 volts and consumes 6.6 watts. While the noise level is rated at 40.2 dB at max speed, the decoupling system does a great job of minimizing perceived noise. Overall, the Alphacool Apex Stealth Metal Fan is a top-tier cooling solution that offers a blend of performance, silence, and aesthetics. If you're looking for a premium fan that delivers on all fronts, the Apex Stealth is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.